this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Tidal not loading. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Tidal needs a stable internet connection, so you might need to try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. If that doesn't work, you need to simply go ahead and close the Tidal application completely and then reopen the app and check again. Again, if that doesn't work, you might need to simply go ahead and restart your phone or tablet or even your computer, which fixes temporary system glitches. If your Tidal server is down, you might need to simply check status.tidal.com to see if the servers might be down. If it is, you have no other options but to wait for it. If you're on an Android device, you can try clearing cache if possible. Again, if that is not the case, make sure that you're using the latest version of the Tidal application and update it via the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already. You might also need to try logging out and logging back in, which does simply go ahead and fix a couple of problems. If it still doesn't, and if you're using VPNs, then turn it off and try again. Also, low storage can affect app performance, so free up space and restart the app, or if none of it works, simply try reinstalling the Tidal app. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.